Good morning friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I will discuss two GATE questions which came in the year 2021 related to compiler design subject. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First let me discuss the question number 1, then I will discuss the question number 2. Look at the question number 1. They have given int main and curly braces they have opened. Integer x they have written 0. Now look at here, integer now is an identifier. If it is an int, then it will be a data type. Is it clear? But integer now is an identifier. So look at here, during the lexical analysis, this one will become an identifier. This one also will become an identifier. So now identifier. Is it clear? So during the syntax analysis, is it clear? Their question is that during which phase this error will be identified. Is it an error or not? Yes, it is an error. Int x is a valid one. Integer is not a data type. Is it clear? So it is an identifier now. So identifier is not a proper one during the syntax analysis because identifier should be equal to identifier, then only it will be parsed using the parse tree. So it cannot be parsed, identifier cannot be parsed using the syntax analysis, so it will give an error during this syntax analysis. So the right answer for this question is option A. Okay, during which phase the error will be identified? During the syntax analysis, the error will be identified. Now let me discuss the question number 2. Which of the following is not intermediate code representation? Okay, one is that they have given symbol table, control graph, abstract syntax tree, and 3 address code. Everyone know that 3 address code is in one of the representation of the intermediate code, and even abstract syntax tree is also an representation of an intermediate code, and control graph. These two are non-linear representation and this is a linear representation. Coming to the symbol table, it is a data structure. Okay, we will use the symbol table in all the phases of the grammar, but it is not a representation of an intermediate code. So this one is the right answer. A is symbol table is not the representation of the intermediate code. Okay, so I hope you have understood these two questions. If you still have any doubts related to this question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.